Today also I do 10 sums.
Today 15 times, 15 sums. To end of the day, man, we have to do 20 sums.
Oh, sir, 15. Thank you, sir. Sir, in oscillation you can do, sir, or only in
Magnets.
oscillation?
All together.
What is together? In half an hour I will come, sir.
So, question number 42, right? Right. So the question is, with a standard rectangular bar magnet, the time period in the uniform magnetic field is 4 seconds. Time period, initial time period, let us say, question number 42. 204. Yeah. The standard rectangular bar magnet, the time period in the uniform magnetic field is 4 seconds. Means initial time period, let us say, is 4 seconds. The bar magnet is cut parallel to its length into 4 equal pieces. And so this is a bar magnet. This is its time period is T1. Now when it is having some north pole and south pole, so that pole strengths are M and M, plus M and minus M. So time period is this. We know time period is nothing but time period of the bar magnetic uniform magnetic field. If we keep this in uniform magnetic field, 2 pi the root of I by M B. If we keep this in a uniform magnetic field, of strength B, so that its magnetic moment is M, and moment of inertia about its rotation, about its center point, we will take it as I equal to ml square by 12. So on, hence it will be total time period will be this 4 seconds. Now the question, the next point is, when the bar magnet is cut parallel to its length into 4 equal parts. Now if you cut along this axis, it become 2 parts. 4 pieces means 4 parts. Means 4 equal pieces. 4 equal pieces. So that means you have to do one equal piece here, so that 1 and 2. Here one more cut, so that you get 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. It will become 4 equal pieces. But what happens is, as already you have discussed, that pole strength is directly proportional to area. So if it is cut into 2 equal pieces, pole strength becomes m by 2 and m by 2. 4 pieces means new pole strength of each piece will be nothing but m by 4. So magnetic moment of each piece, capital M, is equal to m dash into new length of each piece. But when you cut parallel to this, length will not change. Length will remain same only. So you can take this as m dash is m by 4 into 2l is 2l dash is 2l only, 2l only. That means m into 2l. So we know initial magnetic moment is m is equal to m into 2l. M into 2l is capital M. So you can take this as capital M, and hence m dash. After cutting, the magnetic moment of each piece, is capital M by 4. With this, and what happens to moment of inertia? So in magnetic external field is same only. Magnetic moment changes to this. One thing, okay, done. So this is initial one. This is equal to 4 seconds. That is capable. Next, new time period is 2 pi into square root of, when it is cut into 4 equal pieces, magnetic moment may changes to I dash, moment of inertia, magnetic moment changes to m dash, B is same only. So m dash is nothing but this, we have got it. But then what is I dash? So I is nothing but moment of inertia. For a rod of length L, moment of inertia about its about an axis passing through the center is ml square by 12. Here L, if we take it as 2L, 2L itself we can take it as capital L also. It is for initial magnetic moment is ml square. Here it is mass. rectangular bar. Actually, it is we have to take it as breadth is negligible. It is mentioned as bar magnet breadth is small. So we have to take it as simple, like very thin bar. So ml square by 12. So when it is cut into 4 equal pieces, new magnetic moment is equal to, when cut into 4 pieces, mass will divide equally into 4 parts. So mass of each part becomes m by 4. It is not magnet pole strength. It is mass here. We have to take this is mass. So into L is same only. So L square by m by 4 into L square by 12. So you can write it as ml square by 4 ml square by 12 into 1 by 4, or you can write it as I by 4. You can write it as I dash. So when I dash is I by 4, m dash is m by 4, and b dash you can say it is b only. Uniform external field is same, b dash is same only. Substitute this here, you can say t dash is equal to 2 pi into square root of I dash is I by 4, and b dash m dash is m by 4, and b dash is b only. So here 4 and 4 if you cancel, we will get the same expression, that is 2 pi square root of I by m into b. That is nothing but 4 seconds. So it is, so you can say, you can conclude that t dash is also equal to 4 seconds. Right? Which one? Yes. Question number 1, page number 206. The key is given as 3, right? But when you cut into here, four equally. The question is, if a bar magnet of pole strength small m and magnetic moment capital M is cut equally 4 times parallel to its axis and 5 times perpendicular to its axis, then pole strength and magnetic moment of each piece is equal to. When cut parallel to axis, pole strength changes because area changes. How many times? So 4 times. So magnetic moment changes by 4 times. Obviously, it is m by 4. So it is not m by 5. It is the option P is given here, means it is wrong.
If we cut equally 4 times means
4 times parallel to x-axis.
if
Parallel to
cut four
x-axis
times
means
means
like
5 pieces will be given.
4 times.
Yes, sir. When we cutting
So
4
4
times,
pieces or 4 times?
they given cut equally 4 times.
Okay. Yeah, then it is correct only. Then, but capital M should changes then.
30 should come.
Yeah. Then see question number 1 of 206. If we consider, if a bar magnet, if a, this is a, let us consider this is a bar magnet having north and south poles, so that it is having a pole strength plus m and minus m. If you cut 4 times, not 4 pieces, cut 4 times. So if you cut one time exactly at the midpoint along the axis, it becomes 2 pieces. 4 times means, 4 times means actually here, if you say this is here, 1 and 2, 3 times if you cut, if 4 pieces it becomes. 4 pieces it becomes, right? If you cut 3 times, like 4 times means you have to cut accordingly, so that you have to mark here 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So this becomes one piece, then this becomes, so you can consider yeah, this will be one piece, and this will be another piece, so second piece, and this will be 1, 2, 3, 4 times, right? So one piece, two piece, three piece, and here this one, if once you cut here again, it become 2 pieces, 4 and 5 pieces it becomes. When you cut 4 times, it becomes 5 pieces. So m dash m dash of each piece will become m by 5. And when you again, it is also given that 4 times parallel to x-axis and 5 times perpendicular to its axis, means 5 times, not 5 pieces. 5 times means 1, 2, 3, equally you have to consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, means it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces we will get. We have to divide this equally. Okay, so 6 pieces means what if what happens is 2L dash. 2L dash is the length of each piece. The 2L dash will be as when you cut 5 times, it becomes 6 pieces, 6 equal pieces. So the total length becomes 2L by 6, right? So then new magnetic moment m dash will be new magnetic moment m dash will be equal to m dash into 2L dash. This is equal to m by 5 into 2L by 6. So it is 5 6 is 30. So m into 2L is capital M into 2L. This you can take it as the initial magnetic moment capital M by 30, right? So that will be this. So pole strength, the new pole strength of each piece becomes m by 5, and magnetic moment becomes m by 30. M by 30. M dash is equal to M by 30. There is no such option, right? So actually there is no such option completely. Otherwise, in the third option, second part has to be changed. Otherwise, there may be what you call
4 times of
yeah, instead of 4 times, if you consider 4 pieces and 5 pieces, 4 pieces parallel to x-axis and 5 pieces perpendicular to the length, then it becomes like this. If this is a magnet, if this is a magnet, 4 pieces means here this is 1 2 4 pieces, right? 4 pieces, right? So that means here again 1 2. If you cut here 3 4, here you'll get 1 2 3 4, 4 pieces. 4 pieces means m dash will become m by 4, and here l dash remains same. Now if you again cut into 5 pieces, 1 2 3 5 pieces, right? 1 2 3 4 5 pieces means like this here. Then what you call length becomes 2L dash becomes 2L by 5 only. So m dash is equal to small m dash into 2L dash is equal to m by 4 into 2L by 5. It becomes m into 2L by 5 into 4 is 20. So if that is the case, you can say m dash is equal to capital M by 20. So small m dash is equal to m by 4. So if that is the case, option 2 will be correct. If the words are pieces, times means there is no such option. Actually, there will be printing mistake or typing mistake. You have to correct that one. Okay. Question number 25. Right. So the question is, the period of a thin magnet in a magnetic field is 2 seconds. The period of a thin magnet, let us see, this is a thin magnet, having a north pole and a south pole, so its pole strength plus m minus m. So and pole length is 2L, something like that, or you can take L. Length is, total length is L. So that its time period of oscillation in uniform magnetic field, if this is kept in uniform magnetic field, B, then time period is t is equal to 2 pi into root of uh, I by mb. Where I is moment of inertia, m is a dipole moment, and b is uniform magnetic field, and in this is given as 2 seconds. 2 seconds is, let us take it as equation 1. Now the next second case is, if it is cut into 4 equal parts. This magnet is cut into 4 equal parts along length and breadth, means it will go 4 equal parts means 2 means midpoint, 4 means here one more cutting, here one more cutting. So it will give 1 2 3 4 parts it becomes. So that length of all pieces will be same, but what you call here this height will actually cut, right, along the breadth also cutting, so height will cut, so that mass will change. So we can say the dipole moment is directly proportional to area. Area changes means we can say what you call dipole moment also changes. Dipole moment of this each piece is m dash is equal to m by 4, and 2l dash length of each piece is equal to same only l only. Let us take it as l. Then magnetic moment of each piece is equal to m dash into 2l dash is equal to ml by 4. Or you can say it is m by 4. So m dash is equal to m by 4 is m dash. But the new time period is equal to, for such piece, new time period is equal to 2 pi into square root of I dash by m dash b dash. But this is also kept in the same, each piece is kept in the same field only, same field b. So b dash is b only. B dash is b only. So if you take b dash b, m dash is m by 4, then what about I dash? You should know what is I dash also. Here, actually speaking here, initially I is moment of inertia. It is equal to, for a rod of length L, moment of inertia about its rotation about its axis passing through the center is ml square by 12. Here m is mass, right? But here this is I dash is equal to a mass after cutting into 4 equal parts. Mass becomes m by 4. So m by 4 times L is same only, L square by 12. So you can write it as ml square by 12 into 1 by 4, or I dash is equal to I by 4 it becomes. Right? I dash becomes I by 4. So m dash, b dash, I dash once you get, and if you substitute here you get, what will you get? What it becomes? 2 pi into square root of I dash is I by 4, and m dash is m by 4, m by 4 only, m by 4, b dash is b under root. Here 4 cancel, so you get 2 pi into square root of I by m into b. But 2 pi into square root of I by m is nothing but t, that is 2 seconds. So t dash is also equal to 2 seconds only. That's a 2 seconds.
Sir, but
25.
option
What,
is one, sir.
what is that?
1
It is
second,
given as
sir.
1 second.
Yes.
So as is cut into 4 equal parts by cutting it along the length and breadth. Along the length and breadth we have taken. So the period of each of them in the same field is oh. So you have to consider this is length becomes 4 L by 4 square 4 period of each of them the same field. Similar if you observe here, actually it's supposed to be
Sir, next page.
is only parallel to length of 4 pieces means this is given like this here, definitely is okay. But along the breadth is mentioned, right? So breadth is so here you have to just consider what do you call I is uh, m L square by 12 I have taken, right? So actually it is supposed to be m into L square plus b square by 12. M into L square plus b square by 12. So along the breadth also well remains same. What about breadth? Length and breadth will remain same only. Only height will becomes four equal pieces to be cut. Along the length you are cutting. Length and breadth. Let's go to this correlation. L dash will be L1, B dash is B1. I think so some data is just loaded across students 25. Okay. So actually if it is only along length we will consider that. Consider that. Only along length means we'll say same field only length. So the breadth part means just will look into what is other condition it is we have considered with students. Okay.